Psychology. Unit 4. Developmental Psychology. Introduction. Developmental psychology is a branch of psychology that studies the growth and development of human beings from conception to death. It focuses on understanding physical, cognitive, emotional, social, and behavioral changes that occur at different stages of life. Development is a continuous and lifelong process, influenced by heredity, environment, culture, and learning. Developmental psychology helps health professionals, especially nurses, to understand normal and abnormal development, identify problems early, and provide appropriate care and guidance to individuals and families. Definition. Developmental psychology is the scientific study of human development from conception to maturity in old age. Quote. ACC. 2. E. B. Herlock. Developmental psychology is the study of the growth and development of the individual from conception to death. Quote. ACC. 2. Crow and Crow. Use of developmental psychology in treatment. Developmental psychology plays an important role in treatment and patient care. Understanding age-related needs helps nurses understand the physical, emotional, and psychological needs of patients at different ages. Planning appropriate care. Treatment plans are prepared according to the developmental stage of the patient, child, adolescent, adult, elderly. Early identification of problems. Delays in physical, cognitive, or emotional development can be identified early. Improving communication helps in communicating effectively with children, adolescents, adults, and elderly patients. Psychological support provides emotional support based on developmental stage, especially in chronic illness, disability, and terminal care. Family education and counseling helps guide parents and caregivers regarding normal development and behavior. Lifespan development. Definition. Lifespan development is defined as the continuous process of physical, cognitive, emotional, and psychosocial changes that occur in a human being from conception, prenatal period, until death. Death. Physical, psychosocial, and cognitive development across the lifespan. A. Prenatal period, conception to birth. Physical development. Formation of organs and body systems. Rapid growth of cells and tissues. Development of heart, brain, limbs, and sensory organs. Growth depends on maternal nutrition and health. Psychosocial development. Emotional bond begins between mother and fetus. Maternal stress and emotions affect fetal development. Foundation of attachment is formed. Cognitive development. Brain and nervous system begin to develop. Basic reflexes start forming. Sensory responses begin in later months. B. Infancy and early childhood, birth to 6 years. Physical development. Rapid growth in height and weight. Development of motor skills, sitting, walking, running. Teething and development of muscles. Improvement in coordination. Psychosocial development. Formation of trust vs mistrust, Erikson. Attachment with parents or caregivers. Development of self-confidence and independence. Learning social rules through family interaction. Cognitive development. Language development. Curiosity and exploration. Thinking is concrete and imaginative. Development of memory and problem-solving skills. C. Middle and late childhood, 6 to 12 years. Physical development. Slow and steady growth. Improved strength and coordination. Development of permanent teeth. Better control over body movements. Psychosocial development. Sense of industry vs inferiority. Peer relationships become important. Development of self-esteem. Learning cooperation and teamwork. Cognitive development. Logical thinking develops. Improvement in attention and memory. Ability to understand cause and effect. Academic learning increases. D. Adolescence, 12 to 18 years. Physical development. Puberty and sexual maturation. Rapid increase in height and weight. Hormonal changes. Development of secondary sexual characteristics. Psychosocial development. Identity vs role confusion. Search for self-identity. Emotional instability and mood swings. Influence of peer groups. Desire for independence. Cognitive development. Abstract thinking develops. Better reasoning and decision making. Ability to think about future. Development of moral thinking. E. Adulthood. 1. Early adulthood, 18 to 40 years. Physical development. Peak physical strength and health. Fully developed body systems. Psychosocial development. Intimacy vs isolation. Establishing relationships. Career development. Family responsibilities. Cognitive development. Problem-solving skills are strong. Practical and logical thinking. Learning through experience. 2. Middle adulthood, 40 to 65 years. Physical development. Gradual decline in physical strength. Appearance of chronic diseases. Reduced energy levels. Psychosocial development. Generativity vs stagnation. Responsibility toward family and society. Adjustment to life changes. Cognitive development. Knowledge and experience increase. Slight slowing of memory. Good judgment and wisdom. 3. Late adulthood, 65 years and above. Physical development. Decline in sensory functions. Reduced mobility and strength. Increased health problems. Psychosocial development. Ego integrity vs despair. Reflection on life achievements. Adjustment to retirement and loss. Cognitive development. Slower thinking process. Memory decline. Wisdom and life experience remain strong. F. Changes in death and dying. Physical changes. Weakness and fatigue. Decreased appetite. Slowed breathing and circulation. Loss of bodily functions. Psychosocial changes. Emotional reactions such as fear, anxiety, anger. Need for emotional support. Withdrawal from social interactions. Acceptance or denial of death. Cognitive changes. Reduced alertness. Confusion and disorientation. Decreased awareness of surroundings. Reflection on life experiences.